In de happy bij de blue one, hoe should I copy one?
Listening, ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my long-awaited wash day routine. And don't mind my face right now because I had just woken up because I just took out my cornrows and fell asleep. But yes, we're going to detangle this hot mess and then we're going to start the washing process. But first, let's get into this scalp massage because I haven't been able to do this for a while. But I'm going to section my hair off into 6 sections. And then I'm going to start the detangling process. And I start off by putting them in 6 sections, but I'm going to end up putting it in 8 later on because it's way too much hair inside of 1 section. So I split it into 4 sections on each side. But yes, I've had my braids in for 4 months, but I haven't washed my hair since my box braids. So when I took out my box braids, I just went straight to cornrows. So I didn't really wash the length of my hair. So we got a whole lot of detangling and a whole lot of cleaning to do. But when I had my cornrows in, I was washing my hair once a month just in case because I know y'all like to come for me. But yes, I got them in the sections now. I'm going to start the detangling process. And I always wash my hair in the zinc. Drop a comment down below in the comment section of where you guys usually wash your hair, whether it's in the zinc or in the shower, and how long you guys go without washing your hair. So now I'm showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using today. I just picked up a random deep conditioner at the salon, and it's called African's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner. I'm using my OG Cream of Nature shampoo and my homemade deep conditioner. So now I'm starting the detangling process, and I dampen my hair a little bit. I add a little bit of water everywhere, and I'll do the prayer hands method to pull out any shed hairs while I'm finger detangling, and then I proceed to use the Tangle teaser brush. How long do you guys usually take to detangle your hair? Because the detangling process is basically the most important process to me, because once you get in that shower, there's no going back. If you still got tangles and all that, you got to do it all over again. And I think that's why my wash day is so easy. Not necessarily easy, but quick as far as steps, because I just detangle, wash, and deep condition, and then either braid it up or style it. So yes, make sure you're taking your time in the detangling process. And this is a side-by-side comparison of one side not detangled and the other side detangled. And this is my length right now, thanks to Okia Hair Care. DM me on Instagram at Okia Hair Care. At Okia. Oh my gosh, at Okia Hair Care on Instagram. DM me for your purchase. And now I'm shampooing. I add my Cream of Nature shampoo to the length of my hair, section by section. I go in at the scalp and use my my shampoo brush. And I hold my hair, and then I wash the length of my hair. And yes, I continue to do this until it's time to deep condition. And this is a texture shot of the back of my head. The back of my head is usually the tightest, and the front is the loosest. So yes, I'm 4A and a little bit of 3C in some areas. But now I'm getting into the deep conditioner. I'm going to mix the African's Best Deep Conditioner with my homemade deep conditioner. I'm going to mix them together, add some olive oil, some glycerin, and some aloe vera gel. So now I'm just mixing until it's all smooth and combined together. And then I'm going to add some more of the African's Best Deep Conditioner. Continue to mix, and now I'm showing you guys the back of my head before I apply my deep conditioner. And now I'm applying it section by section. Make sure every strand gets some, because yes, and this is a deep conditioner / protein treatment as well. Can you guys believe that I never used to use protein treatments or even deep conditioners back when I had back before I cut my hair? That's probably why it got damaged the first time around, because if I had just did a quick little protein treatment, I would have probably still had my hair, and it probably would have been draping to the back of my knees. So now I'm finally done applying my deep conditioner. All my strands are coated, and now I'm doing a quick little shakeout before I put on my plastic cap to deep condition. And I kept mine in for an hour. You don't need more than 30 minutes, but things happened and I kept it in for an hour. So yes, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys me washing it out. Okay, so this is my shed hair from Detangling, washing, and deep conditioning. And I had my braids in for 4 months. Okay, so it's been an hour since I've been deep conditioning. Now I'm going to take off my plastic cap and I'm going to show you guys a few clips of what it looks like after the deep conditioning / protein treatment. And then I'm going to proceed to wash it out. As you guys can see, the deep conditioner made my hair really defined. And it was very moisturized and lightweight, and it felt really good and really soft. So I highly recommend you guys trying it. Even though you guys don't know what I use for my homemade deep conditioner, I'll probably tell you guys soon. But yes, this is how it looks. The thing about getting this much definition from deep conditioning is you still have to detangle. So as soon as you get out the shower, you gotta go straight to detangling. Not necessarily detangling, but brushing out your hair to do whatever style you want if you don't want the curls to stay. But now I'm going to give you guys a quick ASMR. Okay, so now all the product is washed out of my hair, and these are my final results. These are my curls. This is how it's looking. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment down below of any other videos you guys would like to see from me. And tell me any hair products that you use that you would recommend for me to use. And also, this is how I styled it. This is like a 5-day-old bun, so it looks messed up. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. I also wanted to add in a clip of my hair a few months after I cut my hair, just to show you guys how much it has grown using my hair oil. But see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Big party in the West Indies. Welcome to the land of champions.